Okay, so what is vehicle support? Vehicle support covers a wide variety of things. Basically, we help customers fix vehicles. Sometimes that can just be connecting to vehicles in the first instance. Sometimes it is more complicated, maybe an ECU programming. But really, we're here to support people getting their vehicles back on the road. We also have a database, so each case is then logged. We've been doing so for 17 years, so we have all that information to go back on, or if there are continuing cases of the same thing, common faults, so we can come back to that as well. We also have lots of additional information about vehicles, wiring diagrams, further information on fault codes that we can offer. If it's something that we can supply, if something we have, then we'll email it to you. I mean, there is so much information on the gel test anyway, block diagrams, operational diagrams, for things like that, but you may be, for example, used to Volvo wiring diagrams and not the block diagram that you get on the gel test. So again, give us a call, we can send that to you instead. Also, on top of that, we have a relationship with gel test. That means that we can take it to the next level. So if we're thinking there is an issue, maybe with the software or potentially with the vehicle, we have that relationship, as I said, with Spain, so we can talk to an engineer and get them involved in the job. So you'll have not only one of our team members helping you, but also an engineer from Spain helping you at the same time. We can progress this as far as we would like. So even to the point where they may be writing a patch file to help add extra functions onto vehicles. Obviously, with your test pad connected to the internet, we can use something called remote assistance. So there's a small icon on your desktop that you will load up, Eclipse Assist or Eclipse Support. And once you open this up, we can then see your screen and take control. So what that means is, if you're struggling with a certain procedure or a certain function, we can effectively help you and explain to you, this is how you do it. So you're going to see, one, how you do it, and two, it's like you've got an extra hand doing that job. And because you're watching the screen happen in front of you, then you'll know for next time. If you've never programmed a trailer before, it can be extremely daunting. So having that remote assistance would be almost a must if you've never done it before.